Hello everybody, welcome back. This is something that came from eBay again. Like you think I'd ever learn my lesson, but anyways, I need to open it because if something is wrong, I need to let the seller know. But if you saw my last video on this vintage space heater, you know I've been sick. Matt's been sick. So with the holidays and sickness, I'm going to be honest with you, just wasn't in the mood for doing any unboxings or anything. But here we go. And yeehaw, we got all kinds of styrofoam and some wonderful, these are the peanuts that dissolve in water. So, yeehaw. I should be working on the house. The house is a mess. But I need to get this done too. So, where do I start? This is something that you're all going to recognize. Oh my God. Because I think I already did an unboxing on it here recently. But it had some issues. And I saw this one and put a bid on it or an offer. And they accepted it. So I'm hoping out of this one or the other one, I can make one really nice one. Right, Gidget? Right. I thought you would see it. If I could just get this out of here without making a big flipping mess. Too late. Too late. Okay. Whew. Well, I hope there's nothing stuck in there. Kind of wondering, oh, duh, because it's already there. Oh my gosh. Well, I didn't make as big of a mess as I thought I was going to make, but that's okay. Not so bad. Clean up my mess. Now, like I said, got stuff on my pants. I did do an unboxing of one of these already. And if you remember, everything was good, except it was clogged and the back wheel was broken. So, even though I tried to talk to the seller, didn't go very well. Anyways, here we go. Let me get you further down on the floor. Oh, I still have a ton of these. Well, let me get you further down the floor so I can take care of this mess. They're popping up out of it. Okay, there you go. So, now as you know from this one to the other, this is supposed to turn, but it's not. All right. Is that the other one that I unboxed is a bag version to where this is the bagless. So I prefer a bagged vacuum, but if I'm going to need parts, there we go, now it works. Then I thought one or the other, which I prefer the other, will be the one for me. Okay, so this goes there, that goes there. Okay, so let's start giving this thing a look. This one is Model U8351-900. Let me get my light. Sorry if the lighting is bad, but let's see. Model U8351-900. It looks 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12 amp. So there we go. Let's look underneath. Brush roll looks like it's in decent condition. Let's check them back wheels. So they're in good condition. Handle release works. Looks like it does come with the, all right, come on out of there. Come on out of there. Why do you want to come out? All right, we'll get it out of there. Anyways, power switch. Here is the bin. Has some dirt in it. And a piece of metal. Hope that doesn't go to anything important. And to be honest with you, this is the first time. So that's the filter. This is the first time I've ever actually seen or had one of these in person. So how did I get that out of there? There we go. So I've seen a lot online, read about them, but never actually had one to physically see and hold. Let's make sure this thing runs before I go any further. See if it blows up on me. Doesn't sound very healthy, does it? I can tell you, like the other one, not very much suction. So are you telling me this one's clogged too? Oh, for crying out loud, help me. Is that why people get rid of these? Because they think they're broken and they're all clogged? Oh my goodness. All right, here we go again. By the looks of this, these screws don't look like they've ever been used. So I don't think anyone's ever been in here. Except the other one, you could tell the screws had been used multiple times, even though the seller said he'd never used them. Oh. All right, looks like one more. Okay. I'm not seeing anything in there. That looks pretty good. Well, there is a clog. Oh my goodness. All right, people, let me get this thing taken apart and go from there. All right, back in a second. Okay, we got the clog out. Motor sounds just a bit dry. Sounds like it needs a cough drop. But there we go. Let's see if all else works. Okay. Woo. Okay, there we go. Oh my God. There we go. not sound healthy at all. Holy crap. Let me drink some coffee. Well, people, that motor sounds awful, awful dry. You know what? Let me go get my other one, because I can show you something else. There you go. So here's the one I did the video on that was clogged and a broken wheel. Now, this one has the cord rewind, so this is a step above. But let's see if we can listen to the difference. Hear a difference? Anyways, so the green one, it was completely clogged, as you saw in the video. So I did unclog it, and I have used this for a while, and it's been doing very well, no complaints. It's just this one, if you remember, had the broken wheel. You can see that. So I did find some new wheels, and I'm going to hopefully see if they fit. If not, maybe I will just take them from here and move them over here. We will see. But this poor thing, the handle keeps popping out on me. The motor's very dry, is what I'm assuming. Now, I just noticed that. Did pick up a lot of dog hair. But to be honest with you, I'm not really a fan of Bagless. It does have the crevice tool, which I'll probably just slide over there. But wow. We shall see. Poor thing. Got me all dirty. Well, should I see if, because here's the wheels that I gotten. Let me see. And they are the exact same thing. So you tell me down in the comment section below what you think. Should I try to keep both and have the bag and bagless? Should I take the wheels off and move them over? Should I put the new wheels over here? I don't know. I definitely want to talk to the seller about this. If I remember correctly, they said nothing was wrong. Well, they said the same thing about this one, and we know what happened with that one. So, crazy, 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 crazy. Anyway, thanks for coming along. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. If you have any information about one of these models, please let me know down in the comment section below so we can have a chit chat, okay? We can learn together. Until then, talk to you soon.